everyone. We're going to be continuing our shared group reading experience with our book, Rain on the Rock by Jodi Toering. Now, before we continue reading our book, I'd like to discuss our word rain song that we talked about last time. Let's have a look at the front cover for some clues. Can we see the rain coming down? Can anyone remember what the word rain song might be? A compound word! Fantastic, which means two words, when put together, makes one word. Rain and song. Rain song. Our root word, that's right. So rain song is our describing word that we're going to be focusing on while reading our book. So let's continue to page 11. And while we're reading, see if you can find any words that might sound unfamiliar to you, that we can talk about them as a group to make better understanding of them. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Lightning rips and tears the sky. Rain drips through the holes. Soft at first, a few spits here and there. Rain song beats, a pattering percussion, gently drumming on the rock. Wow, are there any unfamiliar words that you just heard? Pattering percussion. Okay, if we listen to that sound, what do we think a pattering percussion might mean? Sounds of the rain, fantastic. Sounds of the rain is a great way to describe a pattering percussion, meaning a beat or music that the rain makes, which is describing our root word, rain song. Okay, let's read our next pages, and again, let's remember some words we might not know. Silver curtains cascade down the surface of Uluru, seeking Katanjanju Gorge and Multajulu below. As the waterholes fill, dormant eggs slowly hatch. Curchy tadpoles swarm in writhing clusters as rock pools teem with life once more. Let's take a moment to look at the picture. I can see rain falling and cascading down the rock. This is a very interesting way of describing the rain falling down. Just like curtains blowing in the wind, the rain is cascading down the rock. Now, are there any words that anyone would like to discuss? Curchy. This is a great word, and it is an Aboriginal word for tadpoles. As you can see, the frogs and the tadpoles are swimming in the water, which is called rock pools, which have formed from the rain cascading down the rock. All right, let's read our next page. This is going to be our last page as well. So I would like everyone to listen and think about what this might mean. The drumming slows. The rain stops. Now, as you can see, the rain is cascading down the rock. And if we take a moment to drum on our laps and then slowly stop, what do we think that might sound like? It does sound like a beat, and a beat sounds like rain falling down. What do we think the beat of the rain is? It's music for our rain song. That's right. Now, if we have a think about the drumming, the rain song, the percussion, let's pause here and think of some other describing words for the sounds of rain, and we can write them onto the board under our Tier 2